Hi, I'm John with WTI. Are you looking for a high quality creatine? Well, I've been using this Thorne creatine and so far I really like it. My body reacts fairly well with creatine, so I love that this is just pure creatine. If you see, it's creatine monohydrate, so that's what I find works best for me. So I just take one scoop every day. Sometimes if I've had a really good workout or I've been doing a lot that day, I might take 1.5, 2 scoops, but I really like it. Not only does it not have a flavor, so if you want to put it in water, it's easy to go down. I normally like to put it in orange juice just because I like orange juice, and it gives you just a little bit of that sugar that's really needed to absorb the creatine. But so far, this has really helped me, I think, make some extra gains in the gym. I'm continuing to build muscle, and so I really like it. So for me, I find that when I take creatine, I just feel I recuperate a little bit faster, I grow just a little bit faster, and I'm able to push myself a little bit more in the gym. So I really like this creatine. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.